Hey guys, welcome back. So let's get started. First thing, open up your Cricut design space. Now I'm going to be designing the template for my earring. So I'll go to shapes, I'll pick circle. Now what I'll do is that I'm going to duplicate this twice. So that would be once, twice, okay? So now I've got 3 circles here and I'm going to change the measurement of the circle. Right, the first circle, you go to the top bar here, okay, unlock. Now the size for this would be 4 by 4, so 4 by 4 centimeters. Okay, lock that. Now go to your second circle, change the measurement for this as well, unlock, and this would be 1.5 centimeters by 1.5. okay, so it's 1.5 by 1.5 centimeters. There you go, and you lock that as well. Alright, so you're going to bring the second circle on top of your first circle here. Okay, just make sure it overlaps slightly over the first circle. Alright, just like that. And what I'm going to do is that, okay, if you go to your right hand side, right at the bottom here, there's an icon called weld. Click on that. There you go. Now you see you've got, it's attached together, right? So that's done. Moving on, we'll take the third circle that we have created. So the idea here is to place this circle proportionately or in the middle of the first circle, okay, so that we can cut that area. So what I'm going to do is again change the measurement. The size for this would be 2.2 by 2.2 centimeters. I'm just going to change the color just so that it's easy to see. Alright, there you go. And I'm going to bring this. Okay, wait, so I'll go to arrange. Usually it says move forward, but I can't seem to click that, so I'll click on move backwards. There you go. Okay. I will bring that there. Okay, I want to align this in the middle. I believe I can do that. Go to alignment, go to center horizontally. Okay. Right, so what I will do now, okay, is that I'll go back to the right hand side right at the bottom and click on attach. Now as you can see, okay, the whole thing is in one image, okay, but I don't think you can appreciate the inner circle, but anyway the circle is there and that's what we're going to cut. Now I'm going to duplicate this, and the reason for that is because one is going to form the front of my earring and the other one I'm going to attach it to the back, okay? So then I'll proceed to cut this now. Now let's go ahead and design our earring. So I'll be using some gems today. Now I've got these gems in the shade of purple as well as blue. Okay, this comes in various different sizes in here. Now I've picked the gems that I'll be using. Okay, I have a rough idea of how I want to do my design today. It's quite simple actually. So all I have to do is I'm going to paste this on this felt material, By the way, I don't think I've mentioned earlier when I was using the Cricut Design Space to cut the template. I've used black felt to do the earring. Okay, it's similar to the other earring videos that I have. I usually used felt. Okay, and then I've got my glue here as well. This is a foam glue. And I've got a Q-tip just to help me to take the glue and put it at the back of the gem. Alright, so I'll go ahead and get this started now. Okay guys, so this is how the earrings have turned out. Now I'll just bring this a bit closer. Okay. Okay. So I hope you give this a try, and if you do, please let me know how it has worked out for you. As usual, thank you so much for your time. Appreciate it. Have a good day. Bye.